Kumawa kami.
So where?
Zoe, here, Zoe, this way. This way.
This way daw.
Yeah. Magwawa kami. Alas 6 na ng gabi ngayon. Kasama ka. Hi. Zoe. Nakasapatos ka na. Yes. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan.
How many kilometers?
Walk, walk, walk. Tesla. Church. Bago. Yan si Zoe. Punta kami. Hi Zoe. Layo-layo na rin nalakad namin.
Parang 5 minutes walk.
5 minutes na. Malayo. Wala pa sigurong 1 kilometer.
Meron na.
Wala pa. Tignan namin kung magagawa namin ito lagi. At least 3 times a week. Maglalakad yung mga 1 oras. So, layo na. Yes? Yes.
Who?
Don't tell mom.
Who? Who daddy called? Well,
Walking. Dito na kami, walk. Sarap din pala mag-walk din. Pagka ano,
busog.
kakakain lang. Walk. Ano si Zoe, mag-isa na lang siya nagpa-bike. Baho. Oh, amoy utot ni Zoe. Umutot ka? Zoe? Umutot ka? Yes. So, tinubuo ko. Tingnan yung kapaligiran natin. What's that? Across?
Like Jesus crosses
Awesome.
stuck over there. Like here.
Don't touch the phone.
That's there.
Huh? Oh!
Like Jesus stuck in the cross. and then the blood. Ah!
Can I use it?
No. Buy your own.
Yeah, we will. If we buy our own, we can just go farther. Nah?
Yes.
But not,
Magbabay na si daddy and mommy ng bike, okay?
but not in the ano, yung ganito lang.
Let's go! Hi Zoe!
You know, guys, I'm working 6 to tomorrow.
Kami, taas. Maganda dito siguro sa pool. Picture ka dyan sa gitna. Picture lang kita dyan sa gitna, ano lang, sa pool. Tapos mag-aaway lang. Kasi walang mong makuwang maganda sa picture.
That looks like a frog almost.
Oh, it looks like crocodile teeth.
Crocodile. I think it's a crocodile. Hop little bunny, hop.
Hop little bunny.
Hey.
Hop little bunny, hop.
I think the bunny knows the song.
Oh yeah. Aw.
Oh, go baby, careful.
Slow down. Oh, good job. This one is a zigzag. Bitigyan kang do ito.
Go fast, Zoe. You can do
Go.
fast?
Go. Liko. Slow down. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. Who's hey, hey, Zoe? Who's hey, hey?
I don't know.
You don't know hey, hey?
I know him.
Who?
It's the part that the Wawana and what's her name?
Oh, break, right?